Kanjani amanzi?
Kuyabanda. Kuyabanda qitha. Ingqele iqhaqhazelisa amazinyo.
Shubi.
It's not as cold as Cape Town, I will say.
Oh yeah.
Kuyabanda kodwa akubandi njengekapa. If you want to learn to speak Xhosa naturally like this, even if you're shivering from the cold, then comment Funda below and I'll send you the link to join my Xhosa Building Blocks course. I'll give you the tools you need to build a solid foundation in Xhosa and become confidently conversational. And soon you'll see you'll be chatting to your Xhosa chomi, your pharmacist, or maybe even your partner's Xhosa speaking family. And if you sign up before Wednesday, the 30th of July, I will give you 2 months free access to my membership group. This includes 2 live group calls a week for real-time practice and a WhatsApp group for quick support throughout the course. So if you love group learning and you want the extra accountability, comment Funda below now and I'll send you the link to join. Psst. My membership group calls are my favorite part of the week. I always leave with a smile on my face and I know you will too. So come join. But if you don't want to be part of the group, it's also